Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this unboxing is from Amazon. I bought, this is more diamond painting storage in the drawer system. So if you saw my video last week, I had gotten this here. I have decided to keep it because one, it's still on sale, at least, or not on sale, but there's a 50% off coupon, so I bought another one with the 50% off coupon, and I'm planning to return one of them in the more expensive, I'm gonna return the more expensive order. But yeah, for $20 with the 50% off coupon, I decided to keep this even with all the issues. And I have replaced the bottles, so with the shorter bottles, so it does come out easily now. But before I even posted that video, I actually ordered this one and it was on the way, and so it's these ones here. It does look like it has some labels here, and it should be, if I could get it out and hopefully not break anything. I'm always afraid of breaking things when I'm taking them out of containers. Maybe it would be easier if I do it this way. Will it come out? So these are the Artdot containers. I've dropped the okay, so they are also drawer containers. It does look like it comes with a funnel. That is like some gross end of that funnel here. It comes with a funnel, and see, they're in these drawers. Is there a rogue? I have a like random cap with no, here. It's also a drawer system. The bottles actually fit pretty nicely without needing any barriers here. This one is a disgustingly dirty one. But it's these drawer systems here, very similar to the other one. After getting this system, this one seems really cheap. And I'm just like looking at it, I'm like, I was able to get this one for $19.99 because of the 50% off coupon, and this one I spent $39.99 on, and currently when I'm looking at it, it's $43.99, so it went up in price since I bought it last week. And yeah, no, I'm just saying, after looking at this one, this seems really cheap. But it's these, they're supposed to be, I'm gonna remove the bottles because I could see myself, I could see myself having a catastrophe trying to take these things apart. So, they're supposed to be like modular, and you're supposed to be able to put them together. Is there certain tricks to putting them together? I don't know about that one. Maybe they're supposed to be modular. Am I doing this completely wrong? Let's see. Or is it you're supposed to go this side? They're modular, so you should be able to put them together, and maybe I'm just highly incompetent. Am I highly incompetent? I could see that also being a reason I can't put these things together. Okay, that works. Is it the side to side that I'm having a problem with? Okay, so yes, it should go this way, which I was doing. Okay, so I was able to get that side to side. Does it snap? Or am I going to do this and it's going to fall down? Okay, so just trying to see if it's what kind of modular modules it is. So you should be able to stack it in multiple different ways. What is this? Did I break something already? I don't know. but you could stack it in multiple different ways. I'm gonna try doing it in like some not normal way, just so that it's more entertaining. So there, so I was able to stack it modular, even though that's not you know, weight sound. I just wanted to see if it would work. But yeah, they are modular, so if you want to change out your orientation, and that's how. And it seems like there's 4, 2, 4. Wait, there's no cap on this one. Where's my cap? Trying to see if I could find my missing cap. So I'm missing a cap for one. Has anyone else gotten this and had missing pieces? I think I read in some reviews that they were missing like bottles or something in some of them. So yeah, there is 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Wait, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4 times 8 is 32. So there's supposed to be 128 in here. So there's 32 bottles in each container, and oh, I see. This plastic thing, that plastic thing is the covering for for this thing. So you could take this piece of paper out and then put this in there, so you could put like a piece of paper in there so you don't have to like. And it does seem like there's these hooks here, not hooks, but like, so that if you had something you could put, what do you call those? Dividers. So yeah, I think personally, after having gotten this system here first, this seems like, while I think I would have been excited about it if I didn't get this other one first, this seems a lot cheaper than like in just in overall, like container wise. It just seems cheaper. It doesn't have the problems of that one. Like the drawers do come out easily. And there's no issue with, other than me missing one cap, which now I'm pondering if it's in the box somewhere. No. I think this, yeah, I'm missing a cap. I'm missing a cap. I swear, every time I get stuff, I always have some sort of issue. Yes, I'm missing a cap. Just making sure I'm not crazy, but I am, one of the tops I am missing. And I wonder, are these the short? So I replaced, if you saw my video last week, I actually went and replaced all these bottles with the shorter ones. So I'm pondering if these are the shorter ones. So the Artdot ones are the shorter ones. So if I wanted to, I probably could switch out, if I keep both of them, I could probably switch out the bottles that came with this one and put it in here, because there's plenty of space at the top of this one. You're not going to have the same issue with this one where the drawers are just much shorter than this one. So then when you put it back in here, it was just. Oh, and this one, I did, FYI, I did file down some of the bumps. It's not completely filed down, but filed down enough that I could take them out relatively easily. But I still have kind of a catch, so on one of them. So yeah, I think if I had not gotten this one first, which I feel seems to be a little bit less cheap to me, in my opinion, this one seems really cheap. This one seems, and this one only has 126 bottles, so it's only 2 less bottles than this one. So yeah, I think I kind of want to keep this one, but it doesn't seem as cool as that one. Cool, if that's a thing. I do like that it doesn't need the foam in there because the problem with the foam stuff is if you're going to rearrange the bottles, you pretty much have to take out all the bottles. While this, if you're going to rearrange it, you could just be like, maybe it's not as easy, but you could just shift it around like that, you know, take out 4 bottles and do that. Okay, maybe not that easy. So the only reason I would keep this one also is just on my desk. I could fit one this way, but maybe I could fit one of these, 3 of them right next to it, and I won't have to put things sideways or anything because yeah. But after, like I said, after getting this one seems so much better made, and if it just wasn't for the bottle getting stuck thing, I would prefer this one over the Artdot system. Just saying that. Just even the drawers seem so much nicer in this one over here. So yeah, I just wanted to get these ones mainly because I wanted to do kind of a comparison. One good thing is Amazon's return policy is pretty easy at least for me to return things. So if I decide to keep these or not keep them, I'll be able to return them, and I have like until October or something to return these if I'm going to return them. I'm very tempted to actually get a second one of these. I could still see it does, at least at the time of me recording this, which is Saturday, there is still the 50% off coupon code. And if I get another one of these, I could get it for $19.99. And this one was $39.99, so I could get 2 of these for the price of one of these. So it's made me think to return the Artdot ones, even though they, like I said, I think if I had not gotten this one first, I think I would really like the Artdot ones. I like the concept. My plan is not to use these for kitting up, but to use these for my specials, like my AB drills and my rhinestones, so that when I'm blinging up, I'll just have this right next to me, or so that. And I just like having the bottles in the bottles because I've been getting annoyed with working out of the zip bags. So yeah. So there is the Artdot system compared to this system that I had shown last week. And after I fixed all the issues of this one, I actually do really like it. But yeah, if you do get this one, my disclaimer is the bottles that come with are too tall, and your drawers will get stuck. So if you haven't seen my video from last week, like I said, they will get stuck. I was able to use the foam pieces in there and stick these ones in, so now it's all nice and in there with my shorter bottles. But yeah. If you have both of these systems, I recommend you switch the bottles. Like, get your Artdot ones, put them into here, and get the ones that came in here and put them in the Artdot ones, because there is plenty of space at the top for the taller bottles. But for me, I think I'm gonna return these ones just because, like I said, it just seems it just seems so cheap now. Like, it just seems like I could get this at a hardware store and buy my own bottles. And yeah, like I said, this system just seems so much cheap compared to this one, which looks so much prettier. And the only good thing about this, it is modular, and you can change the orientation of it. Like, you could make it four up. You could, if you don't have that much space, you could make this fit your space. If this will work, there, you could make it so that you have 4 like that. See, now I'm pondering, like, what size is this thing? So this is 12.5, or about 5 inches across. So by 22 centimeters, or if you count the front, 25 centimeters, or about 9.5 inches. So what did I say was 5 inches? So if you have one of those cube storage systems, oh, I forgot to say how tall one of them is. How high it is about 2 3/4 inches. So if you had 4 of them, it would be 11. So yeah, if you have one of those cube storage systems, you could probably fit, well, I have the 13 centimeter one, so you could probably fit 2 of these across by 4. So you could fit like 8 shelves of this in one of those cube storage systems. So yeah, I guess it'll really just depend on what you're using these for. Since I don't plan to use these for kitting up, I plan to use them purely to make it easier for me to bling up my diamond painting, so I'm gonna hold my special drills in there. Yeah. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this. I know I'm gonna keep this because it's $19.99. I'm also pondering buying a second one for the $19.99 price, and then I'm probably 80% sure I'm going to return this because there's 20% of me that kind of wants to keep it still. But yeah, that's all for today. Sorry for all the rambling. I mean, these are bottles. I wasn't going to bother showing you how much fits in them, but yeah, I just wanted to show you the 2 kinds of these drawer systems that I have seen available on Amazon. I do know Artdot also sells this on AliExpress, so if you don't have access to Amazon, you can get them off of AliExpress. Also, this I have only seen on Amazon, so if it's available somewhere else, I don't know. But yeah, that's all for today. I will also have a video where I'm going to be filling these with my ABs at some point. But that's all for today, so thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye!